Would you explain your familiarity with the redaction process as it relates to court and to public records? Along with your answer, could you explain how the process works?
Well, the redaction process is in the code as well. There's certain things in the matter of public record that get redacted, like social security numbers, dates of birth, those kinds of things that can help identify somebody where they can be hacked, if you will, or get their identity stolen. That process is laid out in the code. The code very specifically lists what documents are filed as public record and what has to be redacted from that. It is a process. The staff at the probate office are very familiar with all of that process, and I believe that it will be pretty straightforward.
The redaction process is in the code, and it tells you what all, like John said, it tells you what all needs to be redacted. For sure, social security numbers and other personally identifiable information. It should be redacted, which, I mean, basically means marked out, but a little bit more eloquently than that. Before it's uploaded into any system, especially the system that can be viewed by the public. A lot of our records can be viewed by the public. The probate court does have a system where the records are viewed by the public. And if something were to get put in there when it should have been redacted, others can just file a motion, or they can ask that the court redact it and update it. I know that being an attorney, we do deal with Alicourt, and in Alicourt, there are often things that are filed that have information in it that shouldn't be. It shouldn't be filed, but it does happen. And when that happens, you file a motion and have the clerk will help you get the information redacted. But it is very important, and it has to be followed. It is in the code, and failure to do so just gives outsiders access to information they shouldn't have access to.
We're required to redact information that's public records. We redact all except for the last four of a person's social security number. More common, it's becoming, and it might have changed recently, but I know there's been talks about making it the last three of their social security number instead of the last four. Any other personal identifying information such as their date of birth that someone would be able to obtain that information and hack into their identity, that information is required to be redacted. When we are going on to our file to file a document with the court, there in bold red letters, it says, ensure that you have redacted your information before you upload these documents. Failure to do so is a misdemeanor offense, which means it is a criminal offense for your failure to redact those documents before you upload them into the electronic system.